Hello viewers, I am holding Santa Dog. His name is Little Santa. Little Santa, look at the phone. Here's his outfit. And Little Santa came all the way from the North Pole to live with us. He's Santa's dog. So, and today we'll see what he does. Okay, record this. Hello, Santa Dog. Can you say I love you? I love you. I love you. Say I love you, Santa Dog. I love you. I love you. Santa Dog here doesn't like to have his hat on. Sometimes he likes to chew on it too. And that's all for today. Goodbye.